Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today I'm reviewing this ASUS Vivobook 14 laptop. Yes, I dug deep into specs, user feedback and real-world impressions so you can figure out whether this machine really fits your business, school or home office needs. I'll walk you through what it offers, what people are saying, and whether you should go for it. First, what the product claims. This laptop features a 14 inches Full HD, 1920x1080 display and a lightweight chassis, powered by an Intel Core i3-1315U processor. 6 cores, up to 4.5 GHz, according to spec listings. It arrives with 16 GB of RAM and a 1 TB storage bundle, 512 GB internal SSD plus 500 GB external. In this special configuration, runs Windows 11 Pro, and is marketed as ultra-portable business computer, with modern connectivity, HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi, and bundle extras like Lifetime Office 2024. Looking at real-world performance and feedback. Reviews of the Vivobook series with i3-1315U display that the processor is solid for everyday tasks. For example, NotebookCheck noted the i3-1315U in a Vivobook 14 scored well for productivity and multitasking. Users on forums reported that the 13th Gen i3-1315U performs nearly identical to the 1215U for everyday tasks. That means for work, browsing, office apps and streaming, the machine should feel responsive and capable. From a value and usability standpoint, the spec of 16 GB RAM is generous and meaningful at this price tier, and the 1 TB storage bundle means you're well prepared for apps, files and some growth. The 14 inches size gives good portability while still decent workspace. Review comments for similar models highlight the sleek build and decent performance. One review said, "Its sleek design, fast performance, even with an i3, make it a solid choice for everyday use." So if you're needing a reliable, decent-sized work laptop, this looks compelling. In the 8th paragraph, let's dig into major flaws, limitations or how this model stacks up versus alternatives. One limitation. Though the i3-1315U is competent, if your workload involves intensive multitasking, many VMs, large datasets, or GPU-heavy tasks, you may find some bottleneck compared to higher-tier CPUs or discrete GPUs. Second, while 16 GB, 1 TB is very good, some models may have less premium display panels, brightness, refresh rate, gamut, compared to higher-cost machines. So for creators focused on color accuracy you might want a higher-level screen. Third, some users have noted that RAM might be soldered or there's limited upgrade path in some Vivobook models. One user wrote, "There is no upgrades you can do on earlier Vivobook 13th Gen. Fourth, when comparing to alternatives, you might find laptops from other brands offering lighter build, better cooling, or premium materials for a similar cost. So always assess what you care about most, portability, screen, performance, before committing." Finally, is this ASUS Vivobook 14 worth buying and why? In my view, yes, if you're someone who needs a solid, portable laptop for productivity, business, school or home office use, and you value good performance, generous RAM, storage and modern connectivity at a reasonable price point. The research shows it delivers capable real-world performance, generous memory, storage, and decent build. On the flip side, if you require ultra-premium display quality, heavy gaming or GPU workloads, or maximum battery life, portability, you might consider stepping up. But for many users looking for a reliable all-rounder, this model is a smart choice. Click the link below for the best price.